Good evening, people. This is Kappa Tech Guy here, and I am going to be speaking with you tonight about my latest technology hack. If you recall, a few weeks ago, I gave you a hack to connect your generator to your breaker box so that you can use your generator to power your entire home using the included power outlets as well as the light switches, fans, etc. Well, tonight I am talking to you about the Coleman inflatable spa. This spa is a very good spa. If you're looking to get you a hot tub for a budget, this would be the way to go. It's inflatable. The only issues that I have with this spa, just like many people, is that it takes a very long time for it to heat up. Now, this is a jetted spa, so it has bubbles that come out. However, if you use the bubbles or the jets, it will cause the temperature to go down considerably because it is air going through the bottom of the spa. I'll give you an example. So, right there are the bubbles, and if I had the temperature at the highest temp, which is 104 degrees, I could leave my bubbles on for about 30 minutes, and the temperature would drop from 104 to probably around 5 or 6 degrees lower every 30 minutes, which really defeats the purpose of having a hot tub if it doesn't stay hot. Now, the built-in pump and also the heater, Coleman says it takes 24 hours to heat the spa up to 104 degrees. So that's a long time. If you're like me, you like to get things when you want them. So, what I did was, I came up with a hack that would allow me to heat the hot tub up a lot faster than 24 hours. Now, we started out at 64 degrees, and right now it's at 70 degrees, and that's happened within the last 5 minutes. And I'm going to show you why that has happened. So what I did was, I got a, what do we call that? Oh, a fountain pump. The same kind of pump that you put in statues to make water come out of their mouths or out of their hands or whatever. Got a fountain pump. It is at the bottom of the hot tub right here. Then I got some flex tube connected to that pump, and I'm running that flex tube directly into a custom-made pipe fitting. This is copper pipe, and it goes right in there. I had to solder this copper together. This is my first time doing it. It's actually working. There's no water leaking. And then this is the fire pit. The copper is coiled up inside of the fire pit, and it goes in one side, goes through the coils. As you can, I don't know if you can see that good or not. But it goes through the coils, through the fire, and then it comes out this side right here, and then it goes back into the hot tub. So what's happening is, I'm going to have to cover this because there's ash going into the hot tub. But what happens is, cold water settles at the bottom of the hot tub, and then it gets pumped out, goes into the fire pit, comes back out hot, and goes to the top of the hot tub, which is right here. This water is actually about probably around 90, 94, 95 degrees right now, and it's climbing. The hotter I have the fire pit, the hotter the water comes out. So with this hot tub will be hot and ready to relax me in roughly an hour to 2 hours. This fountain pump is one that pumps roughly I think it's 300 to 500 gallons per hour. And that's a pretty decent sized pump. So this is the hack. I'm gonna go in and close my top up because there's so much ash coming from the wood burning fire pit that's getting into my hot tub. But before I go, let's turn the bubbles back on so you can see them again. And I will be getting in this very shortly. My next video, I will show you how to assemble this Coleman inflatable spa. Thank you guys. Don't forget to hit the like button. Also, if you like the tips I'm giving you, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Have a great night. Until the next time.